Hello, my name is Natalia and this is Russian salad. This video is created for the ARU London Global Week. I am representing Russian culture. This salad is called Olivier salad and it is present at every Russian feast. This is Gleb Savchenko. He is a Strictly Come Dancing star. And when he joined the program MasterChef UK in 2016, he cooked this salad. This is the ingredients that you are going to need for the salad. So the first step in preparation is to boil potatoes and carrots just in plain water until they are ready to eat. To boil eggs until they are hard boiled. And to poach some chicken breast. I have put salt, bay leaf, dried garlic, some coriander seeds and some black pepper, and I'm gonna boil it until the chicken is also cooked and ready to eat. So this is to prepare all of the ingredients for the salad that we are going to chop later on. So now all of the ingredients are ready for chopping. This is where the fun begins. Chop, chop, chop. So we chop eggs, we chop carrots, we chop chicken. The smaller the chopping, the yummier it's gonna be. Cucumber, potato, and we now mix all of the ingredients together. We add mayonnaise, salt, some coriander, pepper. Enjoy!